We're going to talk briefly about how to access the web through Songtracker. It has a built-in web viewer that you can utilize, which is very helpful. There's a button here you can click. There's two different ways to get into the web. Like here, for example, we have Web ASCAP. So I just clicked on that. Whatever website is registered for that person, it will go there when you click website. For example, you can also go here to the website button. Well, you're already on the web layout. If you go to email, if you're on the email document and you click web, you can type in a website, for example. And it'll just take you to your web browser, which is different than the web viewer. So there's a BMI page coming up. Now this is a slow connection at the moment, just on 3G, so it's not coming up, but if you have like a fast connection, it's going to come up really quickly. So anyway, I'm going to click off of that. ASCAP's already in there. If I click on website, it'll go right to that, and it loads the page into the web viewer right inside of Songtracker. So you can keep these web pages logged, and so when you go to various people, whoops, let's click show all here, and then I can click through. There's a different website, for example. Here's a blank one. So if you enter just hit your enter key after you type that in, and you're done. I hope that's helpful.